Recording?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's fine. We'll edit that part out. Okay. Are you done over there? Okay. All right. After I soaked everything in lacquer thinner overnight, it took several hours to get these unstuck from this because they were, like I said, so glued on. I'm gonna put this one together here. It's real simple. These short end, this short end here, right? Got that in the spring, and this thing slides perfect after you got the lacquer thinner off. What I did also after that, I put this in the chuck of a drill and spun it with some steel wool and polished it up even better. And got these all clean so everything moves freely like they should. These gear, you'll see the main gear in here. Cleaned that the same way. Took all the grease off of the plastic gears. And so everything works. Now these things, this is the little electromagnets. These go in the magnets. See, here's the case here. Goes in this direction, the plastic plug. Right, go in like this. Right. Now when it's all put together, what happens is see, the magnet is going to push this thing, right, this piece here closer and engage the gears and turn the gears. And when you let go of the switch, obviously the spring will push it back. So that's basically the basic function of it. It's real simple. It's really neat. So that's how they go together. The gears, the spring. Yeah, I don't know what this is called. Whatever part this is called. Right? It goes onto the shaft, facing the teeth, obviously facing the gears so they can make contact. So let's see. Yeah, this goes in. Oh, and just in case you were wondering what the different colors are, the yellow one, you got yellow, black, and blue. Thank you. Apparently the blue one is the smaller gear. I mean, I say apparently, it is a smaller gear. I'm saying apparently that's the mechanism that lifts the seat up instead of forward and back. A smaller gear, more torque. So yellow, red, black, and blue. The other side, you got blue and apparently two blacks. I can't, so.
Yeah, two blacks.
Yeah, but the blue will line up with the blue one over there. For some reason, there's not a yellow on this side. I don't know if I doubt it ever been fixed. This thing only had 57,000 miles on it, so that's the skinny of it. If your seat's not working, your motor's turning, but nothing moves, the grease inside could have varnished and glued everything together. Take it apart, clean it, lubricate it really good, lubricate the gears, lubricate the shaft. I'm going to use white lithium, despite what a lot of people say about it. Some people say it's bad, some people say it's good. So that's what I'm going to use. Puts back together. It's real simple. So this is just in case you've never seen inside of them. There you go.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.